Towards mastery, understanding the suffix words. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English adverbs, specifically focusing on a particular suffix that can transform words in a unique way. We're talking about the suffix words. This suffix helps us form adverbs that indicate direction, and you'll see it used quite frequently in English language. Before we jump into our main topic, let's quickly recap what a suffix is. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters that we add at the end of a word to change its meaning or its grammatical function. For example, in the word happily, "ly" is a suffix that turns the adjective happy into an adverb. Now, onto our main topic, the suffix words. This is a common suffix in English that turns nouns and adjectives into adverbs, indicating direction or movement towards something. For example, let's take the word home. By adding the suffix word, we get homeward, an adverb meaning towards home. Similarly, forward means towards the front, and upward means towards a higher place or position. You might also notice that there's an S at the end sometimes, like in backwards or upwards. This is just a variant of ward, and both versions are correct. The choice between ward and wards is often a matter of personal or regional preference. Understanding is one thing, applying is another. Let's see how we can use these words adverbs in sentences. After work, she headed homeward. He looked forward and kept walking. The balloon floated upwards into the sky. As you can see, words adverbs are pretty versatile and can be used in various contexts to indicate direction. That's it for today's lesson on the suffix words. Remember, this is a fantastic tool to expand your English vocabulary and add a layer of precision to your descriptions of direction and movement. Keep practicing, and soon enough, your use of these adverbs will be moving onward and upward. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope this video has helped demystify the use of words as a suffix. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.